Healing Meditation Words for Beginners of Meditation Chapter 17. 1. Let a man put away anger. Let him renounce pride. Let him get beyond all worldly attachments. No sufferings befall him who is not attached to name and form, phenomenal existence, who calls nothing his own. 2. He who curbs his rising anger like a chariot gone astray, over the plain, him I call a real charioteer. Others but hold the reins, and do not deserve to be called charioteers. 3. Let a man overcome anger by non-anger gentleness, let him overcome evil by good. Let him overcome the miser by liberality, let him overcome the liar by truth. 4. One should speak the truth, not yield to anger, even if asked for a little. By these three means one will certainly come into the presence of the gods. 5. The sages who injure none, who always control their body, go to the unchangeable place, where, having gone, they do not grieve. 6. Those who are ever vigilant, wakeful, who study by day and by night, who strive after nirvana, their taints come to an end. 7. This is an old saying, O Atula. This is not a saying only of today. They blame him who remains silent. They blame him who talks much. They blame also him who speaks in moderation. There is not anyone in the world who is not blamed. 8. There never was, nor will be, nor is there now to be found anyone who is wholly blamed, anyone who is wholly praised. 9. But he whom the discriminating praise observing day after day, as without blemish, wise, endowed with meditative wisdom and virtue. 10. Who is worthy to blame him who is like a gold coin from the Jambu River? Even the gods praise him. He is praised even by Brahma. 11. Let one be watchful of bodily irritation. Let him practice restraint of the body. Having abandoned the sins of the body, let him practice virtue with his body. 12. Let one be watchful of speech irritation. Let him practice restraint of speech. Having abandoned the sins of speech, let him practice virtue with his speech. 13. Let one be watchful of mind irritation. Let him practice restraint of mind. Having abandoned the sins of mind, let him practice virtue with his mind. 14. The wise who control their body, who likewise control their speech, the wise who control their mind are indeed well controlled.